Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear CapCut Space. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut PC application. And first of all, I'm going to go to my space. Okay, and as you can see, I have already used the space. And if you want to clear it, just delete the projects you have uploaded to the CapCut Space. I'm going to delete the project which has big size. For example, this one. We can click on the three dots and then click on delete. Okay, and it will help you to free up your CapCut Space. Unfortunately, guys, so far, I can't find option or button to select all and delete all the projects. I don't know. So if we want to clear it, we can delete it one by one, just like this. Okay, and you can also delete files in the trash. But yeah, it will bring us to the CapCut website. So I'm just going to go back. And I'm going to delete it again. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can clear CapCut Space. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!